Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to this cozy corner. I hope all of you are doing well. Today, I want to sketch and create some magical pages inspired by winter, Christmas lights, and castles. So, I have chosen already some beautiful pages. I got this from my sister-in-law, and we already ate it raw, and it was so delicious. And I thought saving this tag and use it on the journal. So I'm gonna put this aside and I'm gonna add it at the end. So these are the pages I have chosen, and maybe I can also do something here, and maybe something here too, but let's see. I already have some of the colors that I will use, and they're kind of browns and blues, grays. I'm gonna paint a castle. I'm gonna paint also a snow, lights, and yeah, I'm looking forward to see how it's gonna look. I'm thinking to leave the sky here a little bit, showing a little bit of this beautiful paper, this tartan, and maybe in some areas to make it show a little bit. And in here I will continue the castle and do some wintry trees, and then at the end I will add some lights and maybe a Christmas tree, maybe somewhere here. I don't know. Let's see. It's gonna be, I already did a little bit of a sketch, but you cannot see it. But if I put it like this, you can see there is just a very quick kind of a sketch here, and here is very simple to see. And yeah, so yeah, let's get cozy. I will prepare myself a cozy drink a little bit later. So yeah, let's start. I want to paint some kind of tree here, like hidden behind here, but this is very wet, so I am going to leave this alone for the time being and just keep working here. So I want to sorry, I want to paint some kind of tree here. So what I'm going to do is have some lila some white and lila. I'm gonna make the stamp first and just very randomly just make, doesn't have to be perfect. I like that. I am going to now to, you know, there is something that goes very well with lilac and blue. If you see a color wheel, you will see that orange goes very well. So the lights, the Christmas lights are gonna look very beautiful, and that's why I love to paint also with lilac. Besides, that is one of my favorite colors because of the lilac flower. It just looks so beautiful. It just looks so beautiful. I'm gonna add some white. I need more white. Sometimes I think I need to clean these. I have so many lumps of paint, but sometimes I kind of like how it looks, so I just don't do it and just put paint on top. I'm gonna put some more white, some gray to maybe more darker, just to bring some values, dark values there, just tiny bit, not too much here. So I'm gonna come with the orange and let's see how it's gonna look. I think I'm gonna leave it like this, and yeah, I'm done with the castle. I really love how it looks. I'm gonna do some journaling here also as well here, and I was thinking to make some gray trees here in the back, but I started here a little bit, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. I kind of like it as it is. Sometimes when you feel like you should stop, it's maybe good to stop. So I'm gonna put all the painting away, and I am going to start doing some journaling. I would like to write a little bit here, but this I will do off camera. I won't do in the video because otherwise it will be way too long. So I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna get some inspiration for these pages here. And I have these magazines from back in the day, and there was a lady that wanted to get rid of a box full of them, and that was a while ago already. So I have many of these, and they are from the 50s, sometimes even the 40s and the 30s. This one is from 1966 and this is from 1955, and they are both from December. So I am going to check very quick if there's anything that catches my attention that I can use for the other page. Comes off so easy, it's already so old. So this is going to put it here.